Hello? Hold on. Good afternoon. I haven't seen you all day. Been resting, I have. And there's Master Sharky. I just put something here for him. But yeah. So we can all feed. Afternoon, Sharky. Cheryl, dear lady, thank you for your time and your patience. I was in there resting and I heard him asking me to come out. Thank you, Cheryl. And yes, your coat looks like carbon fibre too. It's the chest hairs, the crisscross of the chest feathers. They're quite amazing. A few more for Sharky. Come on, Mum. Come on. I've got socks on, I can't come over. Right, I'll give Sharky some. Yeah. Come on, man. Pig, good boy. You're alright. A few for Sharky. Gentle, mate, gentle. Steady as she goes, mate. More gentle. You're a bit sharp. Mum? Get on. You dear, kind, gentle lady. My respect and gratitude goes to you. It goes to these three birds actually, but you know what? You really get the most, Cheryl. You're beautiful. I really respect you. Oh, mate, here. You can finish them off, okay? You want a bite? Yeah. I love you very much. Have a good night. And you too, cutie. See you later.